Hey, listen up! This is Marty. Show him the ropes.
Hey guys, I'm Marty. You gotta get a Fume Dog.
What's a fume dog?
Let me show you. It's a lifesaver. Fume Dog extracts chemicals that are created from welding so we don't breathe them in. It's the best tech available on the market and one of the most affordable. I mean, if you don't want to get a Fume Dog, then we'll just breathe in those chemicals and it'll slowly kill us. You don't want to kill us, do you, Bill?
It's Bob.
Bob? You don't want to kill us.
Why don't you care?
Hey, Dad. I want to be a welder just like you.
You don't want to kill us, do you, Bill?
No!